If a game object exists in Unity, it has a transform. It is the DNA of your object's physical presence. Today, we master position, rotation, and scale. And I will show you why a scaling up parent object can completely ruin your game if you aren't careful. Let's transform. Welcome back to Unity Daily. Our motto is simple, one concept at a time. We have learned how to view the world. Now, we learn how to place things in it. Subscribe to join the journey. Mastering the basic is the fastest way to become a pro. If you are enjoying this daily series, consider supporting this mission through link below. Every copy helps keep this channel growing. The transform component is the most basic yet vital component in Unity. The transform is the main way to move, rotate, and scale the game object in your scene. Every game object has a transform by default. Unlike other components, you cannot remove a transform. Even an empty game object has one, because without it, Unity would not know where the game object exists in the universe. Let's break down the properties. It stores three things: position, rotation, and scale. The first one is position. The position is where the game object is located in the scene. In 3D space, X is a left right, Y is a up down, and Z is a forward backward. Next is the rotation. The rotation is which way the game is object facing, measured in the degrees. Unity uses illusory angle. Rotation on the y-axis is like a character turning their head left and right. Rotating on the x-axis is like a node. The third one is scale. It determines how large or small the game object is compared to its original size. A scale of 1 is default. A scale of 0.5 is a half size, and the scale of 2 means the object is double in size. Here is a pro tip. Never use a scale of 0. Your object will effectively disappear and can cause physical errors. You can edit these values in 3 ways. The first one is Scene Gizmos. Use the Move, Rotate, Scale tool. We learn in day 4. The next one is direct typing. You can click on a box and type any position you want. Unity can even do a math. Type any equation and Unity calculates for you. Next one is scrubbing. This is the fastest way. Click and drag the label to slide the object smoothly. Also, if you want to copy the position from one object to another, right-click the transform and select Copy Component. Go to the target object, right-click and paste component values. Speed is everything in the inspector. If your object is at a weird spot, right-click the word transform and hit reset. This snaps it back to the vector 0. When you drag one object into another, it's become child. This is where it gets tricky. The values you see in the inspector are local values. They are relative to parent, not the world. A child object inherits its position from the parent. So, placing it at 0 puts it right where the parent is. If you drag the child out of the parent, Unity instantly converts the local values back to the world values. We will deep dive into the parent-child relationship on the day 7. Here is a warning that will save you hours of frustration, non-uniform scaling on parents. If you have a child object that is rotated and you scale the parent object at just one axis, the child will skew and morph into a weird diamond shape. To fix it, always try to keep your parent object at the scale of vector 1 if they had the complex children. That's the day 6. You now understand the math behind the magic. Tomorrow for day 7, we explore parent-child relationship and how to build a complex object. If this video saved you from a skewing nightmare, hit like and subscribe. Check the Buy Me Coffee link and I will see you tomorrow.